Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the DLG flags invalid CA error you were experiencing when browsing on the internet. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up Google Chrome, as this tutorial pertains to. And you're going to select the three-dotted menu icon at the top right corner of the browser screen. Go ahead and left click on that and select More Tools, and then select Clear Browsing Data. Select underneath Time Range, click inside the drop down and select All Time. And then you want to go ahead and select Clear Data. Once that's done, go ahead and restart your browser and see if that has resolved the problem. Another thing you can try here, make sure your date and time settings are correct down in the bottom right corner of your system tray. Believe it or not, the time does get thrown off every once in a while, so you just want to make sure that's correct. And if not, you can right click on it and select Adjust Date/Time. And if set time automatically is turned off for some reason, you can just try turning it on automatically, or you can attempt to set the date and time manually as well. And you can also have the option to sync now to immediately sync up your clock. So pretty straightforward, guys, I would say. Not too much involved there. But like I said, pretty straightforward tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.